All right, let's talk about a huge challenge for pretty much any business. How do you turn someone's casual interest into an actual sale? Today, we're going to look at a tool designed to grab that interest the very second it happens, turning a simple click into a real valuable customer.
So, have you ever had this happen? You have a great conversation with a potential customer, they seem really into it, but then you lose them in this messy trail of WhatsApp messages, emails, or maybe a link that's, well, not even up to date anymore. It's so frustrating, right? That single moment of peak interest is golden, and when you lose it, you're literally losing money.
For way too long, this has just been the standard way of doing things. You send over a clunky PDF that's a total pain to open on a phone. You share a web link that might be old news. And your leads? They're scattered all over the place, some in your inbox, some in your social media DMs. By the time you get it all organized, your competitor might have already closed the deal. This right here, this is what we call the moment of lost opportunity. It's that critical make or break gap between a customer saying, "Tell me more," and you actually capturing their info to follow up. But what if you could close that gap instantly? Well, there is a much better way. And this is where HelloPages comes in. It's a fantastic feature inside the HelloLeads CRM, and its purpose is beautifully simple: to let you create clean, mobile-friendly landing pages in just a few clicks. Think of it as your instant professional response to every single customer inquiry.
Now, to be super clear, HelloPages is not meant to be a full-blown website builder. It's not for creating complex designs or telling your company's entire life story. Instead, it's a sharp, focused tool that does one job perfectly: creating simple, mobile-first pages that capture a lead the moment they're interested.
With that in mind, let's take a look at how HelloPages completely transforms the customer journey. We're moving from that chaotic old way to a new, streamlined path that takes a customer from that first spark of interest to being a confirmed lead in your system, just like that.
So this new journey is incredibly simple. First, a customer clicks the unique link you share with them. Second, they land on a clean, simple page and fill out a quick form. And third, bam! Their information appears directly in your HelloLeads CRM, ready for you to follow up right away. No more lost messages, no more manual data entry. And the ways you can use this are practically endless. You can whip up a Hello page in minutes for a new product promotion or to handle registrations for a webinar. You can create a simple inquiry form for a service you offer or launch a special limited-time deal. It's all built for speed and action.
And maybe the best part of all is just how fast it is. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need to hire a designer. There are absolutely no delays waiting around for a developer. The minute you have an idea for a campaign, you can launch the page yourself in minutes.
Creating a page is just a simple three-step process. You just select a ready-made template, add your product info and maybe a few images, and you get a link you can share. Then you can post that link instantly wherever your customers are: WhatsApp, email, social media, you name it.
So let's talk about why this really truly matters. This isn't just about making pretty pages. It's about real business results. It's about making sure that you never let a potential customer's interest just fade away because of slow, clumsy processes. I mean, the data really speaks for itself. Businesses using tools like this from the HelloLeads CRM are reporting some incredible results. They're up to 60% faster in responding to leads, and they see as much as an 85% increase in lead conversion. That is the power of capturing interest the moment it happens. So let's just break that down. For your business, this means launching marketing campaigns faster than you ever have before. It means capturing more high-quality leads because the whole process is so easy for the customer. And ultimately, it means improving your conversion rates and making all your communication simple and professional.
So, if you're tired of seeing leads fall through the cracks, the message here is clear. It's time to stop losing opportunities and start converting them. With HelloPages, every click, every message, and every little spark of interest becomes a real chance to win your next loyal customer.